Hello everyone, welcome to today's Trade with Precision Free newsletter. Today I'm going to look at the euro against Canadian dollar, and I would like to share with you my trade plans. So first we are looking at the monthly chart. So first sign, this is the price stuck in a big trading range. The top of the trading range is around 152. The bottom of the trading range is around 140, around here. Now the price is moving from the top of the trading range towards the bottom of the trading range. So this is what the monthly chart is telling me. On the weekly chart, what I can see here is over the past 2 months, the price has been a steady selling mode, and especially last week, Bank of Canada raised interest rate for the first time in 7 years, which create a big sell-off on euro against Canadian dollar. So this we can see more clearly about this sell-off on the daily chart. So first, on the daily, this is in a nice steady downtrend, lower high and lower low. Moving average 10, 20, 50 or fanning down, which confirms the current trend is still very bearish to the downside. So that's why I'm keen to look for a short trade opportunity from euro against Canadian dollar, based on the fact that the monthly chart, weekly chart, or point to the lower ground. This is on the technical side. On the fundamental side, Bank of Canada also the expectation is further rate hike is coming in the future. So that's Bank of Canada. But what we need to remember is the European Central Bank is also going to have the interest rate decision tomorrow. So which will affect the euro as well. So that's why I'm just planning my trade first, because in trading, plan your trade and then trade your plan. So plan number 1, I will base on the daily chart to look for a short trade. So trend is down, is yes, and we have fanning moving average, yes. And based on our trend flow strategy, what we have missed is a small bearish candle inside the moving average sell zone. So the key level I'm stalking here is this major resistance. So before the breakdown happened, this serves as a strong support. Support once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, then finally, with the help of Bank of Canada, price finally breach this level. So if the price pulls back for the same level, it should be acting as a strong resistance. And this level is also inside the daily chart moving average sell zone. So probably over the coming 1 or 2 days, if the price does pull back towards there and confirms resistance here, shows me a small bearish candle inside the daily chart moving average sell zone, then this will be a potential trend flow setup to the short side. So this is plan number 1. So plan number 2, if the price is not going to pull back to there, instead if it starts to rolling down from here, then I will base on the lower time frame to look for a potential short trade. So the key time frame I'm looking at is on the 4-hour chart. You can see the price has formed a decent flat level around this 144.65, 144.85 actually. First test, second test, third attempt, fourth attempt. Then what we have missed is for the price to rolling down first. So what I'm stalking here is for the price rolling down here, test the level for a 5th consecutive time, then look for a more small bearish candle consolidate. Then this will be a potential momentum breakout setup, in my opinion, just like here. So this is a small candle consolidation, but instead of breaking down yesterday, the price just rallied up again. So this level still serves as an important breakout level. So that's why I'm keeping a close eye on to see if it sets up for another setup for a potential momentum breakouts strategy to the short side. Yeah, this is my trade plan for euro against Canadian dollar for the coming 1 or 2 days, and let's see if the price reacts as what I expect. Hope that helps everyone, and see you again next time.